Testing. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. That's working. Okay. I'd like to talk to you about your financial future, and I hope those figures become applicable to all of you as we go along. And I'd like to start by posing a problem for you. And incidentally, I'm just going to talk for a couple minutes, and we'll do Q&A, because what we want to do is talk about what's on your mind. But I'd like you to think about this for just a second.
Number 1. Funds and low costs. Opting for affordable index funds such as S&P 500 trackers, Buffett rejects expensive actively managed funds that erode returns over time. Even at Berkshire Hathaway, he prioritizes keeping fees low for insurance and investment services, emphasizing the importance of providing value to customers in his playbook. Number 2. Simple celebrations. During Berkshire Hathaway meetings, Buffett and Munger engage in lengthy discussions with investors, offering valuable insights rather than flashy presentations. Even his private gatherings, such as birthday celebrations with loved ones, reflect his commitment to meaningful connections over extravagant displays. Number 3. A thrifty tech approach prioritizes essential functionality over the latest gadgets. To maximize savings and value, choose technology that gets the job done efficiently. That's all you really need. Number 4. Value investing. Buffett identifies overlooked stocks with solid fundamentals that are primed for growth. This thoughtful approach to potential investments takes a long-term perspective, aiming for consistent and lasting gains where others may overlook opportunities. Number 5. Buy and hold. Buffett firmly advocates for a buy and hold strategy in the realm of investing, showcasing his faith in the potency of long-term investment strategies. Number 6. The rational mindset. Buffett navigates the market's tumultuous seas with an unwavering compass. Rationality, while others chase fleeting trends, he stays the course. Number 7. Trimming unnecessary expenditures. Warren has also recommended reducing unnecessary expenses, such as high transaction fees. It's important to grasp that even minor financial leaks can gradually erode even the most robust money-saving strategies. Number 8. Business understanding. Buffett's investment success is woven with threads of understanding. He knows the businesses he supports and sees beyond numbers to grasp their essence. Number 9. Seizing opportunity amid crisis. Buffett's business acumen turns downturns into chances for growth. While others withdraw, he moves ahead, acquiring high-quality assets at discounted prices, adhering to his advice to be fearful when others are greedy. Number 10. Compound interest. Buffett emphasizes that every dollar you save should work towards earning another dollar in the future. To repair financial gaps, leverage the potential of compound interest. Thanks for watching our video.